Hi and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me, Vishwanath sir. Our quest for excellence will continue and shall always continue. We have to strengthen our base as far as answering of the CBSE question paper is concerned. And for that reason, the case studies forms a very integral and a very important part of your syllabus. So we need to go steps ahead, we need to understand the concepts properly. For that, you need to read a chapter time and often again in order to get to certain core points. So my advice is always, please read up the chapter properly, understand the concept, so it becomes very easy for you to answer the case studies. I go ahead with the case studies. This time we go to the next chapter, that is staffing, and we shall discuss a few case studies in this particular chapter called staffing. Sundaram Limited is marketing ready-made garments in the district of Odisha. The company is adding one more district for marketing. The company already has 10 sales representatives and wants to employ 10 more sales executives. In the near future, the company estimates that 2 of its sales executives will retire. So the company will need to employ 12 sales executives. In the above case, one function of management is highlighted. Identify that function. Yes, the function which is identified is staffing because they are going to employ people in the organization. Question number 2 in regard to the same case study is enumerate the first 2 steps in the process to be followed in the above case. The first 2 steps is of course estimating the manpower requirement. So you estimate how much you require 12, you require 10, you require 15 or you require more than that. Okay, and followed up with recruitment. So estimating manpower requirement and recruitment would be the first 2 steps in the process which has to be followed in case of the function of staffing. Okay, so this was your first case study which we discussed in relation to staffing. Let's go to the next case study. Gonda Steels Limited manufactures steel bars and markets them in north and western regions of India. The company has 15 sales executives in both these regions. The company now plans to enter South Indian market and has decided to employ 10 sales executives in that region. It is informed that 8 sales executives will retire in the next few months. The company also has to decide to appoint 18 new executives in the near future and has also taken the decision to reserve 5 posts for female sales executives in the new appointments. Okay, my first question to you is name the function of management which is highlighted in the above case, but naturally they are employing people, so we could tell staffing is something which is to be highlighted here. The second is narrate the process of the management function started above. Of course, the process of staffing first involves selection of manpower requirements, recruitment, selection, placement and orientation, training and development, performance appraisal, promotion and career planning, and compensation. Okay, which value has been identified in the above case because they are going to appoint 5 female sales executives as well. So you can tell the value is women empowerment. Okay, so these were the first case studies where it became very evident that what is this function, and whenever someone is going to be appointed or hired, you should use the word staffing. So that is a function of staffing. We come to the next type of case study where Broadways Limited is planning to hire staff for the newly set up division dealing in electronic products. The company decides the following methods for attracting the suitable candidates. Number 1, considering voluntary applications received in the office. Second, visiting a university campus for placement. Third, inviting applications through the newspapers. Fourth, Identifying Messrs. Ratnam Consultant to look after the suitable personnel. Fifth, use www.naukri.com to search for the prospective candidates. Sixth, shifting of the existing persons to the new divisions. Next would be what is the management function which is spoken about in the above cases. So the function is of course staffing, because they are trying to think about hiring people in different modes. Identify which aspect mentioned above is discussed for attracting suitable candidate, that is recruitment. Identify the different sources mentioned in the above cases. One is casual callers, second is campus recruitment, third is advertising, fourth is management consultant, fifth is web publishing, and sixth is transfers. Okay, so these all sources are identified in these cases. Fine. From here we go on to the next case. A group of employees A, B, C, D belonging to the marketing department are sitting in a canteen and discussing the ways of recruitment in the company. A said that he had applied for a job looking at the vacancies in the newspaper. B was shifted from the office section to the marketing department. C was recruited from his institution when he completed his MBA. D said that he was recruited with the help of the internet. Okay, so taking all these things into consideration, identify the function and its components discussed by the employees. Of course, the function which is discussed is staffing. Identify the source of various employees. So A had advertising or advertisement, B had transfer, C had campus placement, and D had web publishing. Classify the source of recruitment. The source of recruitment for transfer is internal, while that of advertising or advertisement, campus placement and web publishing, that is A, C and D, are external. Okay, so you are dealing between external and internal sources of recruitment. Fine. From here we go to the next case study, which involves Messrs. Alag Industries, who want to set up and select the most suitable candidates for the various positions in the factory. They want to test the candidates for making proper selection decisions. Following tests are required. Number one, the test measures for overall intellectual activity. Next, the test assesses the temperament, capacity and to get cooperation from others. Third, aims to find out which type of working which an applicant is interested. Fourth, the knowledge acquired by a candidate before applying for a job is tested. Fifth, how efficiently and swiftly an applicant can use both his hands, fingers, eyes and parts of the body are assessed in that test. Okay, and the question which comes to you is that identify the purpose for which the tests are being done. So you can tell this is for the selection process. It is done for the selection process. Next question arises. Identify the test narrated in the statements given. So there is intelligence test, there is personality test, there is interest test, there is achievement test and there is dexterity test when they are using both the hands, fingers, eyes and parts of the body in the particular test. Okay, so this is Alag Industries case study which makes use of the different modes. From here we go to another case study where a company has introduced high-tech machines. The workers remain idle in the factory because of the lack of knowledge of the new machines. The engineers from the supplier make frequent visits, causing high overhead charges because you have to pay them. They will not come free of cost. Which process of staffing is mentioned in the above case? So the process you can tell is training. Which method of training will be most suitable in the above case? This would be vestibule training because it is better that way. Narrate the training method mentioned above. So basically, vestibule training is a classroom training in the plant, and the job method of training which the employees learn their jobs on the equipment. Later they'll be using it at the workplace also. Okay, so this is something which goes along with them. Fine. So we go to the further case studies where we come across Zenith, which is a highly reputed company, and many people want to join this company. The employees of this organization are very happy, and they have discussed how they came into contact with this organization. Aman says that he was introduced by the sales manager, Mr. John. Benu said that he had applied through the newspaper and was appointed as a HR manager. Then we had Vaibhav, who stated that he neither was related to any of the employees in the organization, nor there was any advertisement in the newspaper. Even then, he was directly called from IIM Ahmedabad, where he was about to complete his MBA. Okay, so let's discuss what is in the above discussion. What is the important function of management, and name the function. Of course, the function is staffing. The function or the management function identified in part A follows a particular process. Explain the step. Of course, this is recruitment, and it follows a process of employing prospective employees and stimulating them and encouraging them to apply for jobs in the organization. Okay, from here onwards, I go to the next case study, which is in relation to Blue Heavens. They have purchased a high-tech machine from Germany for manufacturing high-quality auto components in an effective manner. During the production, the manager observed that the quality of the production was not as per the standard. On investigation, it was found that the lack of knowledge among the employees of using high-tech machines. So frequent visits of engineers were required from Germany, which led to an increase in the overhead charges. Suggest what can be done to develop the skills and abilities of the employees by producing highly quality products by using these high-tech machines. Also state how the employees of the organization will benefit from your suggestion. Okay, so basically, of course, the benefits are many, but here what would happen is the main core part is proper training of the employees, because the employees were not trained properly, and such a high-tech machine which produces high quality of goods, and that goes to the back seat. So this is incorrect on their part. Okay, so the proper training has to be given to the employees. We shall discuss one more case study where Sahil, the director of the garments company, is planning to manufacture bags for the utilization of waste material of one of his garments units. He decided that this manufacturing unit will be set up in the rural area of Orissa, where people were very less, job opportunities and labor is available at a very low rate. He also thought of giving equal opportunities to men and women. For this, he selected S. Chatterjee, Indrajit Kaur, Aslam and Sarabjit as the heads of the sales, accounts, purchase and production departments. Number 1. Identify and state the 2 steps that Sahil is following in the staffing process after selecting the above heads. So what is he following? He is following placement and orientation. Okay, and after that training and development which is necessary. Also identify 2 values which Sahil wants to communicate to the society by setting up this manufacturing units. The 2 is, 1, he wants to develop the backward area, and secondly he wants to provide employment in the rural backward area. Okay, so please go through these case studies on a regular basis, and this will help you a lot in tackling certain questions which will come in your board exams. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.